So hey guys, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Tailor-Made Stories with a brand new episode. This is Neeti and this is Nugget. You all wanted a vlog, so here we are vlogging my entire day today, and this is, just hope you like it. This is just me. अभी क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Sorry. But a very good morning to all of you. Good morning, my nuggets. So very good morning to all of you. This is my garam pani and me again, and it's a nice and sunny day. Please don't mind my hand. They look crazy, but आ गई मैं धूप में गरम पानी. So let me properly introduce myself. Hello, welcome to Tailor-Made Stories, the brand new episode with a new blog that I have started on your request. I don't know why, because my life is very boring, but ठीक है, चलो. This is it, and हम यहाँ हैं. I hope you like the blog and what all I do the entire day. Nothing very special, but it's all for you guys. So I hope you like it. Those of you who don't know me, I have nothing interesting that I do in my entire day. So it's a very simple day, like I don't know any one of you, but it's just I wake up, I have garam pani, then I do my Zumba, then uske baad I wait, I have my food at 2 o'clock, I have my lunch directly. I stopped having breakfast. I'm doing an intermittent fasting for 14 hours, so I do that. 14 16 hours से ज़्यादा चल रहा होता है. So my meal is at 2. I eat my lunch, and for lunch I eat sabzi and some protein kind of a thing, like chicken or paneer or something, but I eat sabzi nicely. No dal and no rice and no roti for me. रोटी होती है तो फिर वो almond flour की रोटी. I have that, and I'm looking at myself, not at the camera. Then after that, just chilling. मेरी जान चली जाती है Zumba में, so that's the thing. Then उसके बाद I have class around 5 o'clock. Then I have my dinner at 7. I get a massage in between. I do. And बस और कुछ नहीं है. अभी I'm going to go change because now Zumba time, so need to exercise. This is my day. We just spend time outside with Nugget now that I have him. There's nothing more fancy that I do, but I'm gonna go get ready for my Zumba. I'm trying to teach him how to sit. Sit का हो गया. Paw सिखाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Paw ही नहीं हो रहा है. And yeah guys, if you see what I'm wearing, please don't comment. मैंने I worn दूसरा top and दूसरा pajama, and in the night I'm gonna reverse. मतलब reverse नहीं, I'll wear the matching. Sorry, but ये हो ही नहीं रहा. paw सिखाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Please just see what he's doing. Nugget, paw, Nugget, paw, Nugget, paw. Guys, मैं उसे कब से सिखाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. पाओ फाइनली आई डिड इट. ये सेट हो गया, पाओ हो गया. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Fetch is left. That Parikshit will do. But yeah, I'm so happy. The छोटू राम. So hey guys, I am Zumba ready, and I'm gonna attend my class. And I can't show you any clips and all because there's no time, and she gets very angry when I'm like doing anything. So maybe next time when I vlog this. Okay, but I'll see you soon after my class. I'm super late. चप्पल जूते भी नहीं पहने मैंने. Okay, bye. So Zumba हो गया. Hair is a mess, not washed it since very long. And हमारी मम्मी say hello. Hi. So yeah, we're just chilling. This is our favorite place to chill. Literally we chill here and do nothing. So yeah, this is our chilling place. So यही हम कर रहे हैं. और हमारा डॉगी पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया है उस साइड. Oh, there he is. There he is. So yeah, we're just sunbathing and enjoying, and this is what we do every single day. And I'm going to miss my mummy. No, my mummy is my favorite human being in the entire world. I'm going to miss her so much. And ये मेरी मम्मी सुखा रही है कपड़े आगे भी हैं. Guys देख लो. So hey guys, I have finished having my bath, my Zumba. Okay, you guys can see what's happening here. Yeah. Okay. So हम जा रहे हैं doctor because we're traveling very soon. We need to know what all medications to give, or what all vaccinations we shouldn't be left out. Nugget? No. Yeah. So we need to know all the vaccinations. We need to know if there is anything that we need during our travel period. Sorry, I got a call, so that's why my phone got cut. But a lot of you asked me about this mug. तो ये पूजा ने gift किया था for our engagement. Mr. Right and Mrs. Right I'm having. So it's here only. Yes, so we're just going to find out all the details. I'm going to find out all the details that are needed and all the vaccinations and all the papers and certificate, everything. So we are fit to travel. He is fit to travel with me. And cabin mein aayega because he's just 1.8 kilos. So he's cute and he's tiny and small. And I hope all works out. So, okay, I'll see you soon. So hey guys, we are back from the doctor, and he is healthy, he's doing really good, and he is fit to travel, and he got his coronavirus done also, that's CVV. So I'm so glad he's fine. He got an injection, and now before we leave we have to get the rabies one done, and that's it. But we are doing fine and we are healthy to travel. Certificate, everything on point. So yes, अभी घर आए हैं, भूख तो लग रही है, तो अभी हम खाएंगे. दीपाली दीदी हमारे लिए भिंडी बनाएंगी. ओके, सो आई एम बीइंग वेरी वेरी क्या बोलते हैं, वेरी हेल्दी. सो वही आई एम ईटिंग, आई एम अवॉइडिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ कार्ब्स, एंड ऑल्सो आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ डिटॉक्स फॉर 2 days where there's no salt, no masala and no sugar, because your body also needs, because then you know like when you're losing weight फिर कभी कभार stuck हो जाता है. So that's why I am doing that. And I hope you guys have noticed that I've actually lost weight. दिख रहा है कि नहीं? लूज कपड़े पहने ना इसलिए. But I am also doing a vlog very I've already started shooting my progress since my weight, like since that weight and this weight. So be ready for the transformation, and that's why I lose clothes so no one comes to know. But अगर मेरा face कम लग रहा है तो please comment कीजिए, because बहुत मेहनत कर रही हूँ मैं. But yes, now I'm gonna also introduce you to a lot of things. So yeah, stay tuned. Hi दीपाली दीदी.
Hi.
क्या बना रहे हो?
भिंडी.
मेरे लिए भिंडी बना रहे हो? मम्मी और आपके लिए?
दाल
और भिंडी.
चावल.
So this is our दीपाली दीदी, and दीपाली दीदी actually 1 बजे आती है, just for your information, and she cooks food, so we eat by 2 o'clock. Our khana is ready, and mom has gone out as usual. Yes, and you can see Chintu Ram is here. So now I'm just relaxing and sitting, and that's it. This is what I do. I'm just chilling. Yeah. So since you all requested this, here I am. Okay, so this is what we do, and I keep brushing him because it's really nice and he loves it. Like जो खाना टकता है ना उसको निकालना पड़ता है, and we should keep them so that there are no knots. Let's try and do some side parting. Nugget? Okay, I have to show you guys something. Okay, Nugget? Okay. You have to see this. Wait. Okay. He's so cute. Look at his face. He's so adorable. He needs a haircut. मैं हूँ, ये मेरी माँ है, और ये मेरा डॉगी है. Oh God. और हमारी पार्टी चल रही है, पार्टी थिंग्स आई मेक हर डू। ये हमारी कार है और ये हमारी पार्टी हो रही है। So we three eat here only in our balcony and we enjoy the sun and our food. So yes, I'm going to eat now. You guys eat too. So hello, हम वापस आ गए हैं and the fact that we are outside here in this souk, you know, जहाँ हम कपड़े सुखाते वाला. So why are we here is because after khana we make sure we leave him here only in the night, in the morning, and like I'm here always, but we always leave him out ताकि इसकी सुसु पट्टी की ट्रेनिंग अच्छी हो जाए. अब देखना हम एप्स कैसे बनाते हैं. हमारे लिटिल, प्लीज लुक एट हिम, ही इज अ योगा मास्टर. I'm telling you the way he can. We are going to make his abs. Okay, please guys enjoy this view. Okay, 1 2 3. So hi guys, if you are wondering am I crying, it's because मैं अनियन को पील कर रही थी, इसलिए कद्दूकस कर रही थी. तो मेरे बाल एक्चुअली लंबे हुए हैं विद अनियन जूस, एंड व्हेनेवर आई गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी व्हेन आई नो आई हैव नथिंग टू डू द नेक्स्ट डे, दिस इज व्हाट आई डू. ओके, आई नो आई एम कटिंग माय फेस बट आई पुट अनियन जूस, सो yeah, it's really good and my hair is grown. Could you guys see? So he can smell onion and he's like, क्या खाना है? So yes guys, मैंने प्लेट बना दिया है, अनियन जूस डाल दिया है, ऑयल भी डाला है मैंने साथ में. This is what I do most of the time when I have nothing to do the next day. I don't actually have anything to do the next day. But I know you wanted to see this vlog. I don't know why, because I'm a very boring person and I have nothing interesting going on in my life. But like you guys requested, so मैंने सोचा चलो कर ही लेती हूँ और दिखा देती हूँ कि क्या लाइफ है मेरी. So next time you guys don't request me to show you a vlog about nothing that I do, nothing interesting that I do. But I still hope that you like this episode and also please shower all your love. हम जा रहे हैं बहुत जल्द Ahmedabad. So he's gonna see it for the first time. So we are super excited, looking for a small bag also to carry him. And I'm traveling by Air India and I'm super excited because they allow puppies up to 5 kgs with them in the cabin. So I'm super excited. My first journey with Nuggets and excited. Paperwork done, packing done. We're ready to go. But also thank you so much for showering so much love, and I hope you like this episode. If you do, you know what to do. Give a lot of thumbs up to this episode and do comment and let me know how you liked it. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And that's it. Signing off. Lots of love to you all. And this is me, very boring me. I hope you enjoyed it.